Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel page setup, only way. Set margins, orientation, and scaling to fit content on one printable page. Start by selecting page layout and choosing margins that balance text and whitespace, then pick orientation that suits your document. Use scaling like fit sheet on one page for wide tables and preview before printing to ensure headings and numbers remain legible and aligned. I'll walk you through margins and orientation so your sheets print exactly as you expect. Mirrored margins work well for dual-sided documents and binding, while portrait suits text and landscape fits wide tables or charts. Use custom margins in half-inch steps to fine-tune edges, and always check print preview to confirm that headers and footers remain visible and that no content is cut off unexpectedly before final printing. Scaling and paper size choices can save you time and awkward edits. Choose the correct paper size to match your printer or recipient, then apply fit sheet on one page for broad tables or use custom scaling percentages to avoid tiny text. If automatic scaling makes content unreadable, adjust column widths and font sizes slightly and reapply scaling until the layout looks natural. Always verify in print preview to avoid surprises at the printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.